preparation of formulation containing standardized isoflavone-rich extract of glycine max seeds, and its bioavailability studies, published in Journal of Natural Remedies. Formulations containing soy extracts, containing genistein, diazyme and glycitine are widely available in market and have been utilized for treatment of hyperlipidemia, postmenopausal problems and cancer. Hence, the present study focuses on preparation of capsule formulation containing soy isoflavone-rich extract and determination of bioavailability using validated bioanalytical HPTLC method. The standardized extract containing 40% weight by weight was formulated into capsule formulation containing 20 mg genistein per capsule. The bioanalytical HPTLC method was developed, wherein protein precipitation of plasma sample was carried out using methanol. HPTLC method involved use of precoated silica gel plates as stationary phase with mobile phase of ethyl acetate, PET ether, toluene and detection at 262 nanometers. The absolute bioavailability of genistein was determined by administering 2 mg per kilogram intravenous and 10 mg kilogram per oral to albino rats. The bioavailability of the formulation was determined at the dose of 20 mg per kilogram per oral. Results: the HPTLC method yielded maximum recovery of 72.77% genistein from plasma with accuracy of 101.69 to 115.22% and linearity range was found to be 20 to 140 nanograms band. The absolute bioavailability of genistein was observed to be 14.78%. The Cmax and Tmax for formulation containing genistein-rich extract were found to be 1.004 Ug per milliliter and 8 H respectively. Relative bioavailability as calculated by comparing AUCs of pure genistein with the formulation was found to be 77.4%. Conclusion: the validated bioanalytical HPTLC method was found to be selective, accurate, reproducible, and cost-effective. The method was successfully applied for pharmacokinetic study.